Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons the plumbing trade, who are obviously not here today. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. And for today's plumbing adventure, let me turn on my wiper so you can see where I'm going. I am installing, this is part 2 of a diverter change. We're going to install a Moen posi temp on a place where I converted iron pipe lines to mega press. They opted not to change no water lines. Boss lady says put the diverter in, they're going to get the hot water they're getting, and that is it. So we educate, but they still chose just to do the diverter. So we'll see you there and we'll get the shots. Alright, let's do a more. Extra dab will do us. I can't stand it no more, Chuck.
Oh, God. I mean, hopefully, I don't even know if I don't think they can beat Washington and then Washington. You know?
I'm a Dallas fan. I hate them too.
Yeah.
You know? It's really hard to watch, dude. It's really bad. Alright, I might get lucky and keep it right there, Chucky. That'd be real nice. So, I'll go 3 inches, Chucky. I'm gonna put it right where it was.
Whatever.
I mean, I could center it, Chuck.
Nah, I don't give a shit.
Nah, we could do that.
Nah, you don't have to worry about that.
Put it right where it was. I mean, I could, Chuck.
Yeah, just put it where it was.
Alright, boys and girls. Get this thing soldered up. Up. Come on now. It's showtime. You're not supposed to fall over. What the hell? Try this again. Cool.
Okay, for a second, we gotta run downstairs.
I want to show you that I pulled this out of here before you solder. Never solder with this in because you'll melt this. So once this cools down, I'll put the cartridge back in place. Still hot. Now. Look at that. See, I like to wipe it with my flux brush, and I get yelled at by you guys. Today I didn't do it, and look. I got a couple of nibbles on it. Okay. It'll work. Alright, watch out. When putting the diverter in, always put the shower head up. Because you know I've done it both ways before. Alright, there we go. Alright. Little trick that I learned the hard way. The H and the C, hot and cold, are marked. So you get to put it back the way you took it out. Thank you, Moen, for making my job easier. There we go. All right, beautiful. We converted iron pipe to thread with Mega G water fittings. Iron pipe by Mega G. No insurance.
Lots of cream.
Oh, thank you.
It's going to use Bailey's.
You might have a couple leaks then.
All right.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. All right, quitting time.
Yeah.
That would be the call if I had Bailey's in it. I gotta go.
I like mine with Bailey's, but I don't do it that often enough.
I don't think I've ever had it, to be honest with you.
Nah?
Nah, good.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Is it a morning cocktail, or is it something like you do?
No, it's coffee with coffee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like I like what do you call it in the morning once in a while? Like if I do an event, like Bloody Marys.
Oh yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
That's the to take care of the hangover.
Yeah. The best one I ever had was at a Flyers game up at the bar they have up there.
Bloody Mary.
Yeah.
I'll tell you where you're gonna go. Over in Summers Point to Caroline's.
Yeah.
Go there in the morning. She's got blonde, but she's gray hair blonde now.
Right.
She's about my age. See, Laura.
Okay.
She's there in the mornings.
Oh, she the Bloody Mary girl? Matter of fact,
Bob?
his dad's a bartender at St. George's in the summer? Maybe?
Over Brig.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't go over Brig that much.
Call that 8. He's probably saying why.
Yeah,
Why would you want to do that?
I was really.
I didn't do that. I got you. Good. I'm listening.
And he does well with that because they're in and out, and then he's got these coasts. A lot of times, it's their wives and kids are there.
Right, right.
He's doing great with renting that out, and he bought the house behind it. It was was it a Lakeside cop that owned it?
Yeah, both my kids are going to break soon, so that'll be a nice little thing they can.
What's that?
On winter break.
Oh, winter break.
Yeah.
Not fast to cut and pipe with that, huh?
Yeah. Kids are spoiled, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. See right here, we got a little bit of water. Boom, boom. We'd never be outside of that. And all you plumbers out there know that. Without my Pro Press. And that is your tip. Look at that, Chucky. Nope, the water doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Boom.
What do you mean?
Hit on here.
Oh, I'm not doing
Now.
squeeze it like a little ring and then
Yeah, there's like
does it solder it together or just
no. See, see the O-ring in there?
yeah,
It compresses it.
right.
Like
Well,
I don't even know what kind of material it is.
Huh.
They use it on gas pipe, copper, the water pipe I did here.
just so and there's no heat or anything.
Nah, no soldering, no water problems. You can even do frozen pipes, Chuck.
Hmm.
I'm gonna cut this up just a little bit.
Phew, man, don't tell me about that.
What's that?
Frozen. There's no insulation in these walls. I mean,
Oh, I meant to bring a piece.
I got.
You gonna put a piece? Okay, put a piece back there.
Yeah, I got pieces.
All right,
downstairs.
cool. All right.
Believe me, I pump it up. Anything I can. I was thinking of getting the foam and just squirting it all the way down. Yeah, that.
You know what?
High spanning foam.
Nah, I wouldn't do that. In case you ever got to go in there, you'll never get it the hell out.
Right.
I would just stuff with insulation.
Mm-hmm.
Just stuff it there loose.
Yeah.
That's all.
So good though. I had a piece down there, but it was like I took it, I pulled it out, it got all ripped up.
Uh-huh.
How long of a piece? I got it downstairs. I'll bring it up and throw it in there before you put it.
Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do it right
How
now.
long do you think? How big a whole piece? 3 feet or something?
Yeah, 3 foot. 3 foot's perfect.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, Chuck, I think we could turn the water on, dude, while you're there.
You sure?
I think so. I'll tell you what. Let's wait. We'll wait to do that.
All right, I'll just get the insulation.
Yeah. Let's not get crazy here. You see right here, I could have never soldered this with that water in there. The beauty of ProPress. And I could have never took out this pipe without getting into a major renovation downstairs. Like it. Alright folks, get ready to test the water here. He's charging it up now. Insulation's in. Let her rip, Chucky. Okay. Alright, Chuck, you're good.
Should I leave it on or turn it off?
Yeah, leave it on. We're going to leave it on.
Alright, let me turn the cold on.
Oh, shut off, Chucky.
Alright.
I got the shower head open. Hold on. I'm going to put the, I'll put the hand, you want the handheld back on?
Yeah,
This way you can use it for the bucket and all?
yeah.
Alright, cool. Hold on. Give me 1 sec.
Alright.
Yeah, turn it back on.
Alright, hold on.
What you want to do is you want to double and triple check all your joints for leaks. And what we're going to do here is leave this on charge. Now we both know that this is a temporary fix and that the boss lady will be renovating this whole bathroom. But they just can't do it right now because of the holidays and the workload. But this bathroom is 100 years old. 100. Look at that classic tub. And again, this is for the grandkids so they can take a bath. As you see, there's no shower curtain. Just a handheld for the kids. So we're gonna see we'll see how long this repair lasts. I got a feeling we're gonna be gutting this in January. Well, you saw that diverter set up. The missus ain't having it. They're going for the shortcut right now, but that whole bathroom, again, I just got the nod. It's happening. So, hey, everybody does things differently. We can only advise. It's up to the player to play the game. Until then, we'll see you at the trim job.